Brownian movement is the topic of today's class. What we have this Brownian movement. This is the mechanical property of the colloidal solution which we have, and the mechanical property is known as the Brownian movement. In this particular point, what we have, you know that different kind of the particles are present in the colloidal solutions, and when we have these colloidal solutions, they have the collision with each other in the different manner. In this manner, they get stuck with another particles in this particular manner. So this kind of zigzag movement shown by the particles is considered as the Brownian movement. That is a kind of zigzag movement present there between the particles. When viewed through an ultra microscope, when we see the colloidal particles with the ultra microscope, colloidal particles are seen continuously moving in a zigzag way. These colloidal particles are present moving in a zigzag way. Robert Brown is a scientist. Robert Brown is a scientist. In 1827, Robert Brown is a scientist. In 1827, observed such a movement. Observed this kind of movement of pollen grains suspended in water. Pollen grains suspended. Pollen grains suspended in water. Pollen grains suspended in water, and it is this kind of movement is known as Brownian movement. In this Brownian movement may be defined as the continuous zigzag movement of the colloidal particles. It is written as continuous zigzag movement of particles in a colloidal solution. Continuous zigzag movement of the particles in a colloidal solution. Now the Brownian movement does not depend upon the nature of the colloids, but only depends on the size of the colloidal particles and the viscosity of the sol. Smaller the size, the lesser the viscosity. अगर size small है तो viscosity की value क्या होगी? कम होगी. Faster is the movement of the particles because small particles will move very fastly. Now the question arises that what is the cause responsible for this? It means what is the cause of the Brownian movement we have. So the point is cause of Brownian movement. Cause of Brownian movement. What reason we have in this? The reason for the Brownian movement is based on the fact that molecules of dispersion medium due to their kinetic motion. Kinetic motion is present there in the particles. Due to their kinetic motion, strike against the colloid particles from the all the different sides, and different kind of forces applied on them. The resultant force caused them to make, however, the colloidal particles being comparatively heavier move a slower speed. So the Brownian movement is caused by the collisions of the particles there. Now, what is the importance of Brownian movement? Importance of Brownian movement. Importance of Brownian movement. What importance we have of the Brownian movement? Brownian movement opposes the force of gravity. Opposes the force of gravity. Opposes the force of gravity. Opposes the force of gravity, and does not allow the colloidal particles to settle down. Does not allow particles to settle down. Does not allow particles to settle down. This thus it is responsible for the stability of the colloidal solution. The second point is it also helpful in the determination of the Avogadro numbers. Helpful in determination of Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Helpful in the determination of the Avogadro number. So that is about the Brownian movement. We have Brownian movement we have in that particular type. Next type of properties which we have is optical properties. Next property which we have is optical property. Optical property. Optical property